In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a straight line in Photopea. First, open your project in Photopea so you can start working on your canvas. There are two main methods you can use to create straight lines. The first method is by using the Line tool. On the left-hand toolbar, locate the Shape tools. If you see a rectangle or ellipse tool instead, right-click on that icon and select the Line tool from the list. Once the Line tool is selected, look at the top options bar and make sure your settings are correct. To create a clean line, set the fill color to your desired color and remove any unnecessary stroke if needed, depending on your design preference. Now click and drag on your canvas to create a straight line. If you want to draw a perfectly straight line at fixed angles such as 0, 45, or 90 degrees, click and drag while holding the Shift key. Holding Shift constrains the angle, allowing you to create precise, perfectly aligned lines. The second method involves using the Brush tool. Select the Brush tool from the left toolbar, then adjust the brush size from the top menu and set the hardness to 100% to ensure sharp edges. Create a new layer by clicking the New Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Click once on the canvas to place your starting point, then move your cursor to another location. Hold the Shift key and click again. Photopea will automatically draw a straight line between those 2 points. Both methods are effective depending on your workflow and design requirements, and this is how you can draw a straight line in Photopea.